wanted to achieve a result in less than 2 years, and we succeeded with the first vessel, with Ceresio, in 1 year and a half.
The remotorization of the MS Ceresio was an interesting project because it was a retrofit from a diesel-powered ship to a fully electric ship, which was taken out on the shipyard on the Lake Lugano.
Actually, the project was possible because there is a cooperation between SNL and Baumüller. It was a project that actually took many people involved. At the end, we managed it. I'm proud of my team. We are proud of our team, but it was very challenging, I would say.